My name is Waako Shadidu Ismail, a computer science graduate at Islamic University in Uganda, and I'm happy to announce that I'll be graduating on the 20th of December this year, inshallah. I knew about Islamic University in Uganda from the different students whom we come with from the same village, and then I joined IUIU in 2022. That's when I joined via HEC. So after my HEC certificate, I enrolled in for the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I chose IUIU because it is an Islamic university, and then also the quality of the education at IUIU is very good. I've always been passionate about technology, and computer science is a course that I saw fit for my journey, because I always want to build like intelligent systems that solve problems in our communities. During my stay at IUIU, we were challenged to identify challenges in communities and come up with solutions. That's how I came up with the idea of the IUIU Support Assistant, which is an AI chatbot. Identify the challenge whereby prospective students and parents face challenges in getting communication about admission, fees, and programs, and also course recommendations. Therefore, I wanted a system that could be available 24/7 and efficient. So that's how I came up with the idea of the IUIU Support Assistant. To design the project, I used Python as the back-end language, and then also for the front end, I used the Tailwind CSS and then React. Then also later integrated in the GenKit framework, which is developed by Google for the natural language processing. Currently, Python is the most powerful language in machine learning. That's why I chose Python as the programming language. And then for the front end, Tailwind is very flexible, and React. Okay, while developing the project, I faced challenges, for example, collecting data. Like I had to get different data about the university. And then also the time. For example, I had my laptop wasn't much powerful. Therefore, the first chatbot I developed, it used to take long minutes to respond. And then I had to think of a way of solving that solution. That's when I went into the Google framework, whereby for now it can respond within at least 5 seconds, but before it would take over like 2 minutes. I look forward to expanding the project. For example, with the universities, this is an innovation for example, universities within Uganda, whereby they'll help to improve communication. Currently, universities in Uganda depend on manual methods, but then this chatbot can help solve that problem. And then also it can be used, for example, in agriculture, basing that agriculture is the backbone of Uganda. We can make a similar chatbot like that for agriculture, whereby people will be able to learn and get information about agriculture. Okay, what contributed to my academic success was the consistency, curiosity, and then discipline. Like I always wanted to learn, and then also the lecturers were always there to challenge us with topics. And then also with the team of my coursemates, we worked hand in hand, and then we have all performed well. The lecturers supported me in the form that they used to challenge us like with topics, and then we had to think of ways of solving them. And then also they were my good mentors, that is to say Dr. Adam Ali, Dr. Bwambale, Rashid Ramazan, and then also Mr. Fahad. Those were the most 3 lecturers I was always in touch with, and then they helped me so much with my studies at IUIU. Okay, my career is like I'm passionate about artificial intelligence. I plan to specialize in artificial intelligence and IoT, and I plan to study a master's in artificial intelligence and IoT related courses. In the next 5 years, I see myself as an AI engineer building solutions for Uganda and internationally that will solve real-world problems in the communities we live in. My advice to the computer science students is they shouldn't just depend on only what they get from class. They should also go outside for different projects. For example, for me, I used to take on outside projects outside my course through different online courses that I did to enhance my skills in different programs like artificial intelligence, networking, databases. My sincere appreciation goes to my beloved parents, that is Mr. Naweta Sludge and then Miss Nanyonga Sauda. They supported me financially, emotionally, and then spiritually to continue with my journey as a computer science student, and then also my dear brothers, with also my computer science classmates that we have always been in touch. I encourage all students around the world from different countries, say Kenya, Uganda, Somalia, Nigeria, to come and join Islamic University in Uganda. At IUIU, we have good facilities. We have the computer labs. We have professional lecturers. We have a good library. And then also the student community as well is very welcoming and hospitable.